see that it's clear. Okay. Hammer down. All right, now you can search your magazine. Okay. Okay, Cowboy, I don't believe there's a line on this, so.
No, it's just.
You understand the course of fire?
Yeah.
You can see it at Brock's got port arms.
Yeah.
Alrighty, I'm gonna give you a standby before the beat. You let me know when you're ready by nodding your head.
I'm ready.
Stand by. Pistol, pistol. Reload.
Okay, now, we're not through.
Alright, now then, you got, if you will, drop your magazine. Let me see that the pistol's clear. Alright. Drop your slide, hammer down, holster your weapon. Alright, you're clear.